So, good day everyone. We will presenting the space planning layout. So, before that, let me introduce you my co-members.
Mary Baby Nais.
Mary Glaze Biharo.
Varna Florendo.
So, I'm Kyla Viterbo.
I'm Nicola Bero.
And I am Maria Cherry Abignon. We are the BSHM 3D. The space planning layout problem. It is how can you design the layout to accommodate various working styles. For example, meeting area, collaboration area, workstation, while maintaining smooth traffic flow, conduct a principle, functional balance, and proportion.
So this is our space planning layout. This is lunch area. The purpose of lunch area, it is a chill space, usually comfy, where people can relax, hang out, and socialize. This includes coffee tables, maybe some snack or drinks. It's like a break zone, perfect for unwinding or catching up with friends. This could be in a home, office, or airport.
Next, the pantry area, which is essential space designed for food preparation, storage, and quick meals. This area provides convenience for staff or customers to access refreshment and light snacks, helping improve comfort and productivity within the space. The purpose is to produce high-quality pastries efficiently while maintaining proper hygiene and workflow within the kitchen.
So next is the workstation. Workstation is more than just a physical space. It's the core of productivity, where tasks come to life. Whether it's a sleek office desk, a factory assembly line, or a virtual cloud environment. The workstation is where work happens. Equipped with the right tools, computers, software, ergonomic chairs, and connectivity, it empowers individuals to perform at their best. A well-designed workstation boosts focus, reduces strain, and enhances efficiency. Whether you're drafting a report, designing graphics, or managing hotel operation. Workstation is not just a place, it's a productivity powerhouse. When optimized, it transforms tasks into outcomes, ideas into impact.
And this is the meeting area. Meeting area is a physical space for holding meetings, which can include dedicated conference rooms, co-working spaces, hotel function rooms, or even public meeting points. This area can be rented hourly or for longer periods and offer various amenities, depending on the location and purposes, such as a high-speed internet, projectors, video conferencing equipment, and catering services.
So last is brainstorming area. Brainstorming area, that's like a space where people share ideas, thoughts, and creativity, usual to solve the problem or generate new concepts, like a hub of imagination and innovation, where no idea is a bad idea, and everyone can contribute. Could be a physical space, like a meeting room, or a virtual, like an online forum.
So, to elaborate the purpose of space planning layout, so kung may hiling mo po sir, nag-create po kami ng workstation kung saan mas efficient or accessible ang mga co-workers kapag nagtrabaho. So, tigsaro-saro manindang i-explain poon po sa entrance or sa lounge area, sa pantry area, sa workstation, sa meeting area, and sa brainstorming area. So, i-elaborate ko lang na ining space planning layout na ginibumi is para mas magian sa mga workers ang pag-ibon daning sarong bagay sa laog kang opisina. So, kung mapapansin mo po, mas naging efficient siya kasi ang paka-design kang layout niya, mas madali ang process. For example, ngayon, sa workstation area, kung si mga co-members, kahit po hanyang si staff niya or si employee niya, mas mapapadali. Tapos, dakol ang employee, So, dahil hindi masasakitan kasi igwa na siya ng specific layout para maghiro ning tama. So, yun man lang.
So, in conclusion, an effective workspace design is a dynamic, well-proportioned ecosystem that empowers employee choice and productivity. By integrating dedicated areas for varied work styles within a clear, intuitive circulation plan, organizations can create a functional, balanced, and productive environment for all employees.